hello guys! Nandito naman akong Bisaya sa Alemania, and this video I'm going to make easy birthday giveaways for my son's birthday. And of course, before that, we are going to go for grocery. Hala, mag-grocery tayo. Samahan niya akong bibili ng mga sweets at chocolates for our birthday giveaways. So, tayo na! So guys, nandito na tayo sa grocery store at namimili ako ng mga product from Kinder. So hopefully makakita ako. So some are already here in my cart. So let's go shopping. So, going to the cashier na tayo. We will pay now. So, ito pala yung binili natin. Kinder chocolate. Ayan. Choco fresh. Happy hippo. Ayan. I bought this one guys. Para sa mga kids. I think 6 pack ito. So we have choco bongs white, another choco bongs, may Kinder cards din tayo. This is chocolate with cookies, and we have surprise egg. Ayan. We have Kinder Pinguin, Kinder Country, Duplo, Kinder Riegel, Maxi, Kinder Bueno, and we have also Kinder Bueno White. So guys, yun lang ang aking nabili sa Kinder product. So guys, this segment, I will be going to make my birthday giveaways. Ayan, yung mga chocolates nito. So we will have to very easy giveaways for kids. Ayan. Kasi yung birthday party namin, i-held namin sa isang trampoline park or it's like activity park. So, ito ang aking giveaways. So, this is a water bottle. So, ito yung gagawin natin na giveaways. And, ilalagay natin ang mga sweets dito sa loob. So, let's do this. puno na siya. It's already full. So, we can cover it with the, yan, lagyan natin. Pwede natin siyang i-cover. So, I have only 5 example. Kasi na yun. Yan. Like this. Next natin gagawin is to put a ribbon or para namang maganda tingnan. So, I bought like this one here, and this one here. Parang may tag siya. So, you can buy it for 1 euros only, guys. Very, ano to siya, not so expensive. So, ito yung ilalagay natin para mga name tag. Ayan. And this is the, ipapasok natin to hang it in the bottom. Guys, we will write thank you for this one here. Lagyan natin ng thank you. Ayan. You can see. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng thank you yung cards na to. Para naman, at least, thanks for coming. Na? So, we need more. Ayan. 4. Ayan. 4, 5. So, nakasulat na lahat, guys. So, we are going to cut this one here para alam natin kung saan tayo. And then this one here. And then close. Then close, just close it, guys. Okay na yan. So, forward. So, it's okay. So guys, tapos na nga ating giveaways. Ayan, ito na sila. So okay, tapos na tayo dito. So I have to say goodbye to you guys. And thanks for watching. And I hope it will give you some ideas also of making your own giveaways instead of buying. So see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye!